Our omelet bar. All right, guys, so got some ham here, got some onion, some mushrooms, I think those are bellas, diced red peppers, some bell pepper, some scallions, some shrimp, some blue crab meat, cheddar, and Havarti cheese.
I'm gonna go with E, all of the above. Just mix it up, a little fiesta.
Little fiesta, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't want everything. I want to get the diced ham,
Okay.
the crab meat, shrimp, and mushrooms for me. And some cheese.
Okay.
What kind of
I'll
cheese?
get cheddar.
So I like to do a dozen eggs in a bowl. I want to put about a half a cup of milk.
Ooh, that's a secret?
That's how I get my eggs fluffy.
Wow.
Milk. A little pinch of salt and some cracked black pepper. Whisk it on up. This is how my mom taught me how to build an omelet. You cook down your ingredients first with a little oil and butter. I'm gonna put my egg mixture in here, add the ingredients on top of the egg mixture, fold it over, boom, you got an omelet. I wanna make Delicious first since she's pretty easy. She wants everything.
I do.
Really? I got you. The shrimp is already cooked. The crab meat is already cooked. What I want to do is cook down the vegetables first. I need to put the mushrooms in here right now as well because I need some of that moisture to come out the mushrooms. All right, I'm gonna hit it with some salt. The mushrooms have cooked down. Some of that moisture has come out of the mushrooms. Now it's time to add Delicious seafood. A little crab meat, a lot of crab meat. I'm gonna get my pot hot tablespoon of butter and oil. I like to put a lot of oil and fat in my pan before I make my omelets because you don't want it to stick. My mom showed me this trick when making omelets.
What's the trick?
Come on,
Me too?
both of y'all.
Oh.
You get your omelet, you push. You see it's starting to cook on the edges, push it up. All the uncooked part of the egg is just gonna,
Right.
And I like to do that because I need it to be cooked all the way through.
Yes.
I'm good.
All right.
I just wanna show you, so I just wanna show you, that's the important part of it.
Gotcha.
Then you fill it. Put it on one side of the omelet. Okay. Take it off the heat. Fold.
Oh.
Fold. Because we put all that oil and stuff in there, slides right out. Felicia!
That's me.
Order up.
All right.
Order up.
Thank you.
Ooh,
That
yum.
smells so good.
All right, all the meat, Shalonda.
I need it all.
Same process for all of these, just changing the filling.
Ooh.
Yolanda, your omelet.
Thank
Look
you.
who's here. Jamie's here. Hot the bacon.
Oh my gosh.
Glad you made it. We were afraid that you were gonna like bail out because
No way.
we didn't have like celery and water. Come on.
Celebrate water.